Hello everyone, I invite you to every Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on BTC and the USDT pair, taking into account the one-day time frame. First, we will use the yellow line to mark the upward trend from which the price came out at the bottom. While currently we are moving under the orange line, which indicates that the downward trend remains. Now we can move on to marking support areas in the event of a correction. And here, first of all, it is worth marking a strong support zone from $25,679 to $24,249, which has so far kept the price from further declines. But when we fall below this zone, we may see a drop to the area of $22,184. And further even to the support area at the price of $19,529. Looking the other way, we can determine resistance locations in a similar way using the fib retracement tool. First, we will mark the resistance zone from $26,541 to $227,585, which the price cannot cope with for now. When it manages to overcome it, we have the second zone from $29,196 to $30,376. When we manage to overcome these two zones, we will go towards the resistance at the price of $31,873. Only when the price positively tests it will we be able to see further increases. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we see that the price is again approaching an attempt to attack the blue line, which could result in a return to the upward trend. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that we have more and more energy for the upcoming move. On the RSI, we are moving around the middle of the range, which may result in a price recovery, while the stock indicator indicates that the energy of the upward movement is running out, which may also translate into price recovery before further increases. As the second chart in today's review, we will check BNB chart taking into account the one-day time frame. As we can see, the price is still in the downtrend channel marked with blue lines. When we unfold the trend-based fib extension grid, we see that the price remains in a strong support zone from $212 to $205. But when we fall lower, we have a second zone from $199 to $189. And further, we can see the price drop to the support level of $176. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the resistance areas that the price must face. And here it is worth marking the main strong resistance zone from $229 to $244. Only when the price goes above it and tests positively will we see an increase to the area of strong resistance at $270. The CHOP index indicates that energy is slowly gaining strength. On the RSI, we are moving in the lower part of the range, which should bring an increase in the price in the coming days. While on the stock indicator, we also have a lot of room for the price to start growing, which may have a positive impact on the valuation of BNB. Third, we will check the ETH chart, just like the predecessors, taking into account the one-day interval. As we can see, the price has crossed the bottom of the upward trend lines. But currently we are staying at the lower border of the downward trend channel marked with blue lines. As we can see, the price behaves similarly to the BTC price and remains just below the blue EMA cross 200 line, remaining in a downward trend. When we spread the FIB retracement grid, we can determine a support zone from $1,609 to $1,482, which maintained the price during the correction, but when we fall below this zone, we still have support at $1,304, and then we can see a strong decline to the support level of $1,073. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the resistance areas that the price must face. And here we see that the price does not have the strength to cross the resistance zone from $1,676 to $1,765. Then we have a second smaller zone from $1,836 to $1,908, and then a third, very strong resistance zone from $2,010 to $2,139. The CHOP index indicates that there is energy to make another move. On the RSI, we are moving in the lower part, but you can see that a small price movement gives a large movement on the indicator, while the stock indicator shows the use of energy for an upward movement in which we can see the price going up a little more up. The last one in today's ranking is the chart of XRP in pair with USDT on a one-day time frame. As we can see, the price remains just on the border of the downtrend line that it is currently testing. Going further, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. And here the first support is the support zone from 43 cents to 36 cents. Then we can mark the second zone from 30 cents to 24 cents. And then we have support at 15 cents. Looking the other way, we see that the price again has resistances that previously rejected the price. First, there is a zone from 57 cents to 67 cents. Then resistance at 74 cents. And then a resistance zone from 0.82 cents to 93 cents, which ended its gains earlier. When we look at EMA cross 200, we can see that the price quickly returned below this line, which resulted in a return to the downward trend. The CHOP index indicates that the energy has been used. On the RSI, we are moving at the lower end of the range, which may result in a price rebound. While the stock indicator also indicates that there is a lot of room for the price to grow. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.